In international electrical safety terminology, extra-low voltage is generally defined as voltage not exceeding 50 volts AC or 120 volts ripple-free DC. So when people in our industry say ELV, they are usually talking about systems designed to operate in that lower voltage range. But here is the important question for beginners. If ELV is low voltage, why is it such a big deal in buildings, data centers, hospitals, hotels, airports, and offices? The answer is simple. ELV systems may not carry the heavy power of main electrical systems, but they carry the intelligence of the building. They are the systems that help people communicate, detect fire, secure doors, monitor cameras, distribute network connectivity, deliver audio and video, and make a modern facility usable, safe, and efficient. If the power system is the muscle of a building, ELV is very often the nervous system. So in this video, I want to explain ELV in a very practical way for beginners. If you are an engineer, technician, student, project coordinator, or someone preparing to enter the world of building technology, by the end of this video, you should clearly understand what ELV means, what systems fall under ELV, why these systems matter, and what skills you need to start building a career around them. Let's start with the most basic idea. ELV stands for extra-low voltage. In day-to-day project language, especially in the Middle East, people also use ELV as a broad category for low-current building systems. So when a consultant, contractor, or client says the ELV package, they usually mean all the specialized systems that are separate from normal power distribution. That can include structured cabling, telephone systems, Wi-Fi infrastructure, CCTV, access control, intercom, public address, background music, fire alarm interfaces, building management integration, intrusion alarms, queue management, master clock, SMATV, audio-visual systems, and more. This is where many beginners get confused. ELV is not one single system. It is a family of systems, and each one has its own purpose, design rules, testing methods, and integration requirements. The first major ELV category is communication infrastructure. This is the foundation. It includes structured cabling, fiber optic cabling, copper data cabling, patch panels, outlets, cabinets, and the physical network pathways that connect users and devices. If you have ever used